In today's world, our health faces challenges every single day, from harmful microbes, environmental pollution, and toxins to weak immunity. But what if nature's most powerful antimicrobial secret could protect you naturally? Introducing Keva Silver Plus, a unique blend of science and nature to support your health inside and out. Keva Silver Plus contains pure silver, ultra-fine silver particles suspended in purified water known for their natural antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties. For centuries, silver has been trusted to protect health, and now it's here in its most advanced form. Keva Silver Plus is a natural, safe, non-toxic antibiotic effective in killing over 650 pathogens including viruses, bacteria, fungus and yeast. It has no side effects and can be effective against most pathogens including HIV, Epstein-Barr, a major cause of chronic fatigue, parasites, candida and Lyme's disease. Keva Silver Plus works with your body's natural processes to enhance your immune system and neural functions. It is quite effective against the bacteria, virus or fungus. It kills a broad spectrum of viruses. It is effective against even the most feared and deadly viruses which are unaffected by allopathic, antiviral or other treatments. Keva Silver Plus is based on many clinical trials. An outstanding immune booster with broad spectrum and microbial immune support, antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, effective against HIV, effective against H1N1 flu, bird flu, avian influenza. How Keva Silver Plus is better? The Keva Silver Plus 30 ppm silver is more easily absorbed and expelled. The 30 ppm silver contains rich silver and has been known for its strong antimicrobial properties. All natural with only the purest ingredients, rapidly kills an enormous array of pathogenic microorganisms, literally oxidizing the cell wall of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria as well as killing naked virus, fungi and all without damaging living tissue. Engineered by its inventor and manufacturer to maximize the effectiveness of silver and is 100% safe to humans by creating a true pure nanoscale oligodynamic silver particle suspension in pure water. Contains no allergens, is gluten-free and no chemicals or salts are ever involved. Keva Silver Plus is produced using a unique electrical process that creates homogeneity, minute particle size and stability of the silver particles. Ingredients: 99.999% pure silver in purified water using advanced technology for maximum absorption and effectiveness. Key benefits: strengthens immunity, helps your body naturally fight infections, natural antimicrobial support, may help in controlling bacteria, viruses and fungi without side effects, supports respiratory health, can be helpful during seasonal cough, cold or throat discomfort, aids skin wellness, may assist in faster healing of minor wounds, cuts, rashes and acne, helps detoxify body, promotes cleansing from harmful toxins and pathogens, supports digestive health, may help in maintaining a healthy gut environment, works effectively in preventing tumor formation, helpful in destroying the various cancer-causing elements, carcinogens, effective against candida formation, effective against Epstein-Barr, a major cause of chronic fatigue, effective against Lyme's disease, fights against parasites. So whether it's boosting your body's natural defense, promoting skin healing or protecting against seasonal illnesses, Keva Silver Plus is your all-in-one natural health partner. Stay protected, stay healthy with the power of nature's silver, Keva Silver Plus.